Hey there awesome people, what's happening? Welcome back to my channel, the channel for awesome people who want to improve themselves with cool tips, magic hustle and life hacks. Now today I'll be sharing with you the magic formula to Yakult Soju without the use of any apparatus at all. Now here's a little bit of background before I share with you guys the secret recipe. Now the thing about it is I've never tried Yakult Soju before in my whole entire life until I did this video. And since then, I've been hooked. Whenever I'm in like a Korean restaurant, I will definitely order Yakult Soju. However, it was either inconsistent with the taste or it was a little bit diluted. I'm guessing maybe because of the use of too much ice. So after experimenting different ratio and different soju brands, I found the golden grill. So let's jump straight into the drink. For this recipe, the ratio is for a single serving. So if you want to serve more than just one pack, you do the math. You will need a bottle of cultured milk drink, sparkling water, and soju. Do take note that some of the ingredients that I'm going to mention in this video may not be found in your local supermarket. But do check out towards the end of the video because I'll be sharing with you some of the alternatives as well as some of the things that you can find online. So let's start with the mix. Okay, so first up, I'm using an ice ball. So the reason why I'm using an ice ball is because it melts really slow compared to like the usual ice cubes you get in the fridge. And also at the same time, I think it looks kind of cool. What do you think? Yeah. Next, what you need is cultured milk drink. Now, personally for me, I'm using Yakult. This is what I'm using. Of course, there are many alternatives out there. You will just need one bottle of this. Once you're done pouring the Yakult, don't throw away the bottle because we are going to use it for other measurements. Next up, we have sparkling water, and the one that I'm using right here is from 7-Up. Some of you may think, oh, lemon and sweetness, it doesn't really go well. Well, for this particular 7-Up, it has a little bit of a lemon taste. It's not overpowering or anything like that. You will need to have one bottle of 7-Up. So that's why you need to keep the bottle. One bottle. And now time for the soju. I'm using this Idol Premium Organic Soju because the flavor itself is so much refreshing and it's so much smoother compared to the other sojus out there. For those people who are not familiar with soju, you probably wouldn't tell the difference. So, well, for me personally, I like this, but yeah, you do you. I'm just gonna do half to 3/4 of the Yakult bottle, but of course at the end of the day itself, you decide how much you want to pour. Personally, I wouldn't recommend more than 3/4 because it kind of overpowers the drink. Just stick to half or 3/4. For those people who don't have Yakult or this particular brand in your local supermarket, now you can actually use the typical soju glass, which is easily found in most places. So half a bottle of the bottle that I'm using on the left is actually one shot of soju and it's filled to the brim. So it's exactly there. So one full bottle is basically 2 shots of soju filled to the brim. Don't waste. Whew, feels good. Next, you gotta stir it. And we're good to go. Cheers. It tastes so refreshing. Alrighty guys, so we've come towards the end of the video. Do let me know down in the comment section if you have any other recipes that you would love me to cover. I would love to hear from you guys as well. So in the meantime, remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video because it definitely motivates me to do more videos like this. In the meantime, stay awesome everyone and I'll see you guys in the next video.